I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about how important it was to have proper humidity, relative humidity in a construction site and why, as well as mission critical environments. So, if you think about a construction site as you're building the project, you have the opportunity for moisture from rain and/or regular atmospheric conditions to penetrate the building because you don't have all the windows and the doors in it yet, and you're trying to build the project with wood, with casing work, sheetrock, and anything gypsum based. So you have to be cautious about the humidity. Having equipment that can come in there and dry and maintain that air is super important for the job schedule, meeting all the timelines, and to ensure that the integrity of the components remains intact. Anytime you have excess moisture in product, it can lead to long-term problems. In particular, it can lead to premature failure. So having that air at the proper relative humidity, the dryness in the air being proper is crucial for the long term of the project and of the site. Same true for the mission critical world. You have to have the relative humidity in check so that you can start your cabling, you can start the IT equipment. You can't have a super moist environment in any mission critical facility, whether it be data or you think about, on the other hand, an industrial type application where you really need to maintain the proper levels of humidity. Having portable as well as permanently affixed equipment that can, through precision controls, maintain the proper humidity level is key.